Good afternoon, students. Welcome in HCP lecture. Today I will start the lecture of Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. Chapter number 7, Adverse Drug of Reactions. Okay. Let us first shortly look at what we saw in previous lecture. Introduction and role of pharmacist in drug reactions. In introduction, definition of adverse drug of reaction is the term ADR is more appropriate for different effects that are undesired, unpleasant, noxious, and potentially harmful. Okay. There are many definitions of describe the adverse drug reactions, but who defined it as a response to the drugs which noxious and unwanted occurs at a dosage normally used in human being for prophylaxis, diagnosis, or therapy of disease. Okay. The next point is role of pharmacist in adverse drug reaction. Okay. This part will discuss in previous lecture. Okay. Now I will start the next point of this chapter is drug induced disease. Apart from the therapeutic action of drug, it may act on a different system or organs as well. These characteristics of drug can induce the disease conditions as discussed below. First is drug induced gastrointestinal disorder. In that oral routes of administration for drug is very common. In a single prescription, almost 80% of drug is oral form. Therefore, there is a great possibility for GIT disorders. First, adverse drug reaction and the example of the drugs. First is vomiting. Then example, most of the drugs given orally. Then dygensia. Then example of the drug is antibiotics, bitters, alkaloids, and metronidazole. Then constipation, for example, verapamil, morphine. Then diarrhea, for example of drug is ampicillin, neomycin, cardiotonic, and atropine. Then ulceration, for example of drug is salicylates, NSAID, and sulfa. Okay, these are the drug induced gastrointestinal disorders. Then next point is drug induced liver disorder. In that, first is drug causing direct liver damage 0, and drug causing damage to liver by host hypersensitivity. Okay, the drug metabolized and excreted at liver site. It is commonly affected by the drugs. About 10% of drug may cause jaundice and acute hepatitis. The hepatotoxic drugs are categorized into the two types, that is drug causing direct liver damage and drugs causes damage to liver by host hypersensitivity. In first is drug causing direct liver damage because of some specific chemical structure and properties. They may alter or causing interference in metabolism. For example, isoniazid, tetracycline, then methotrexate, aspirin, and cimetidine. Then next is drug causing damage or liver by host hypersensitivity. For example, sulfonamides, then erythromycin, and MAO inhibitors, phenytoin. These drugs cause allergic reactions such as fever, eosinophilia. Okay. Then next is drug induced renal disorders. Drug induced renal disorders. Kidney is perfused organ, highly sensitive to the effect of drug as compared to other organs. The renal cells are exposed to drug concentration in pyramids. Thus, renal cells are exposed to drug concentration in pyramids of medulla, causing toxic effects. Then, here are the type of nephrotoxicity, an example of drug. First type of nephrotoxicity is direct damage of glomerular renal tubules. Direct damage of glomerular renal tubules. The for example of drugs are cephalosporin, then polymyxin, then aminoglycosides, then cyclosporin A, and organic iodide. Then second type of nephrotoxicity, it is the diabetes insipidus. Then for example of drug is lithium sulfonyl urea, then methoxyfluorine. The next type of the nephrotoxicity is the kidney stone renal calculi. For example of drug is the sulfonamides. Then next type of the nephrotoxicity is the nephritis. In that example of drug is NSAID, means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, diuretics, and synthetic penicillin. These are the drug-induced renal disorders. Then next point is drug-induced hematological disorders. Drug-induced hematological disorders. The hematopoietic system and functioning of the bone marrow may be affected by some drugs, thereby distributing the components of blood. The common disorders are anemias. Leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia. Okay, these are the common disorders. Then disorders and example of the drugs. First is anemia, second is leukopenia, and third is thrombocytopenia. First is anemias. First is anemias. In that aplastic, then megaloblastic, and hemolytic. Aplastic, that is the example of drug chloramphenicol, then phenylbutazone and oxyphenobutazone. Okay, then megaloblastic, for example of drug is the isoniazid, purine, and phenytoin. Then hematolytic, then example of the drug is antimalarials, antibacterial, analgesics. Then leukopenia, for example of drugs is sulfonamides, anti-thyroid drugs. Then thrombocytopenia, example of the drug is aspirin, ibuprofen, penicillin, heparin, and alcohol. These are the drug-induced hematological disorders. In that the common disorders are the anemia, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia. Then in that example of the drug is anemias. First is aplastic, then megaloblastic, and hematolytic. Then aplastic, for example of drug is chloramphenicol, phenylbutazone, and oxyphenolbutazone. Then megaloblastic, for example of drug is isoniazid, purine, and phenytoin. Then hemolytic, for example of the drug is antimalarials and antibacterial analgesics. Then leukopenia, for example of the drug is sulfonamides and anti-thyroid drugs. Then thrombocytopenia, in that example of the drug is aspirin, ibuprofen, penicillin, heparin, and alcohol. Then next point of this chapter is drug-induced dermatological reaction. These are the last point of drug-induced disease. First is introduction, second role of pharmacist in adverse drug reaction, third point of the chapter is drug-induced disease. In that last sub point is a drug-induced dermatological reactions. Okay, these are the mainly photosensitive type of reaction which take place between the drug or its metabolites and UV rays. The reactions may be phototoxic or photoallergic. These are the mainly photosensitive type of reaction which takes place between the drug or its metabolites and UV rays. The reaction may be phototoxic or photoallergic. Phototoxic reactions are the dose related effect resulting after first exposure of drug is characterized by conditions resembling to sunburns. For example, tetracycline and hexachlorophene. Okay, the next is photoallergic reactions are produced by the antigen formed by effect of light on the drug and skin protein. It is characterized by echematous eruption. For example, is the thiazide, antihistamines and estrogens. Okay, here are completed the point of drug induced disease. Okay, the tetragenicity. Then last point of this chapter is teratogenicity. This point we will discuss it in next lecture. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you.